Tiger does not choose land randomly. It chooses control. A male tiger may command up to 100 square kilometers. But territory is not about size. It's about advantage water resources, prey movement corridors, elevated ground, escape routes. The tiger studies terrain like a general studies battlefield. It marks trees with deep claw scratches, spray scent to establish invisible borders, leave warning without confrontation. Tiger does not just live in forest. He owns it. Every scent mark is a signature. Every clawed bark is a decree. To cross his line is not an intrusion. It's a declaration of war. This is not aggression. It is silent governance. When another male crosses that unseen line, the jungle does not negotiate. It decides. Territory wars are fast, brutal. Final power is not loud possession. It is quiet control of environment. The strongest predator doesn't expand endlessly. It secures what guarantees survival. The jungle never announces power. It demonstrates it. They say the king of the jungle is the lion, but the king of the territory is the tiger. He walks alone, he hunts alone, and he marks his world with absolute certainty of a predator who knows. This land doesn't belong to the forest belonged to him.